Unidentified aircraft overhead, definitely not one of ours.
Unidentified aircraft?
Fire!
Fire! The heavy artillery!
Don't touch your TV dial. You'll miss all the exciting moments today. Like this.
Roar, 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 Linus the Lionhearted. Linus is the one who lines up the fun. He's the host of which we boast. So roar, 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 Linus the king, Linus the star, Linus the Lionhearted.
Greetings. As you can probably guess, we are playing musical chairs. For those of you who are not familiar with the rules, there are 8 players marching counterclockwise around 7 chairs. In a moment, I will stop the music, and each player will select a chair and attempt to sit down. Obviously, one will be left standing, or maybe even sitting on the ground. The game starts right after our first story. What is that annoying music? Stop it!
Oh, Linus, we got to rehearse. Tonight's our first performance.
Performance?
Yeah, of the Birds. That's what we call our new group. Mockingbird on the palms. Sasha Grouse on coconut. And me on the vines. Go!
Now the jungle is a real green scene. Now the jungle is a real green scene. And if you really want to comb your bean, and if you really want to comb your bean, here's what you do, what you do. Here's what you do, what you do. You do the coconut. Whoa, whoa, the coconut. Whoa, whoa, this is the sound that's making the scene. Just grab a coconut and cock your bean, and that's a coconut. The coconut. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That is a performance, hitting each other with coconuts?
Man, it's a groove. You either feel it or you don't.
And now, something new. The Birds.
Now the jungle is a real green scene.
Those birds will get laughed off the stage. I think I'll go in and watch. Don't tell me they like that noise.
Hey, here come the Birds.
Grouse, can I have a feather, Grouse?
Billy, would you sign this? It's my grandchild.
The Birds, an extraordinary new singing group, have sold 20,000 copies of their smash hit recording, The Coconut. Ridiculous.
Come on, Linus. Let's do the coconut.
That is too undignified for a king.
Oh, come off it.
Don't.
Hey, sweetheart, why play this small-time jungle Felicia nuts? Come on with me to the big time. Here's my card.
Dan Curtis, big-time talent scout?
Big time means big dough. Come on, kids. You bird brains will make big dough, all right. For me.
It's all my fault. Yes. Linus, awful news. The birds has been kidnapped.
Kangaroo, I should say good, but since I am their king, I suppose I must try to rescue them.
It's that Curtis guy. Hey, no, look, it's Linus.
Birds, much as I dislike your record, I will have to play it in order to drown out this violence.
We're free. Maybe, maybe not. There's a sailor guarding the deck.
Grouse, give me that coconut. Okay, into the rowboat.
I'm sorry, Linus. We'll never sing that song again. Promise.
Good.
Here's what to do, what to do. You do the coconut. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You do the coconut. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Coconut.
All right, we are into round 2 in our musical chairs contest. I have removed another chair. So this time, the player left out will be...
So high. Look, Linus, so high sitting in Sugar Bear's lap. That's not fair.
I make a mistake, Linus. Now I go gladly to lose the circle.
So hi, kid, you're the only good sport in my domain.
Boil and bubble, boil and bubble. This apple is going to cause plenty of trouble.
Ah, the happy laughter of dear old Granny Goodrich. Well, selling poison apples, huh, sweetie?
Oh, you're such a kidder, Sugar Bear. Price has just dropped. They're free.
Well, in that case, I believe I just might.
Pick an apple. Any apple at all.
No, thank you, Dolly. I do believe I've had enough.
Wait a minute, honey. Don't run off hungry. What am I killing myself for? An old lady running. I'll just wing him a little with some magic. Ringety, rangety, rees. I'll stop you with fat apple trees.
Well, now, that's a stopper. Hi, Gran, what kept you?
Now eat this apple.
What apple's that?
This here apple. Oh, Ringety, I'll have to find the right apple in all this mess.
Oh, don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Ba-doom, ba-doom, anyone else but me. Bo-boom, ba-doom, have a loving, wonderful me. Ho, ho, ho. Is this what you've been after?
Oh, now that was a naughty. Ringety, rangety, rider, I'll slosh you in sweet apple cider.
Sweet as apple cider.
Now you cut your clowning and take a fruit like I tell you. I mean an apple a day.
Not much of a swimmer, is she? Don't go away. Here I come.
You.
Now, don't bother to thank me.
Ringety-rangety, Ross. I'll jar you like so much applesauce. Now, are you going to eat your apple like a nice bear? I say eat this apple. Come on, open up. Say ah. Ah. Oh. Rickety Rax and Alka Crover. This stupid story's officially over.
Oh, tisk, tisk, tisk. Just when it was starting to get good.
Okay, back to musical chairs.
That's not fair. You only played the music 1 second, Linus. I'm mad. You're hopping mad. That's what hopping mad means.
All right, pipe down now. Next, another story.
Hey, get the big fat balloon. You like, you buy. You buy. Dear Balloon Man, yours truly, your lovable postman, has this here letter for you. Thank you. Dear Balloon Man, someone is going to steal your balloons. Hey, lovable man, these letters are crazy. Hey, stop a thief! Stop a crook! Somebody call a cop! Stop! I say stop!
Let's see. When a citizen calls for an officer, first discover what is wrong. What's wrong?
Lovable crook steal balloons!
When thief will not halt after saying halt, halt. Fire shots into air to warn him you mean business. Halt. Halt.
Stop, you cop! You hit the balloons! Hello there, dear birdie. Why, you're an American eagle, the symbol of strength and majesty. Dear birdie, thank you for the ride. Please head for the park so yours truly can return these air balloons to their rightful owner. General Curlaw, unidentified aircraft overhead, definitely not one of ours.
Unidentified aircraft nonsense. Why did you bother me in the middle of the unidentified aircraft?
Fire! 4.
Poor devil, our first casualty. Fire the heavy artillery! Guess that'll show them. Cease firing, you fools! It's an American eagle.
on, dear birdie. We gotta get these here pretty balloons back to the balloon man.
Thank you for bringing back the balloons.
Thank you, dear birdie. Bye for now.
You nice boy. Maybe you know crook at all.
Say, don't think I don't see you stealing those balloons up there. Oh, I mean it.
Dear birdie, please do me a favor and let that poor officer go.
Hey, are you crazy? This is no box you jumping on. This is my stomach.
I know. And not only that, look, that rascally bird let all your balloons go. See? Don't worry, they're not going any further. Hold up there. All of you, hold this instant. Oh, come on now. Settle down. Now, what are you going to gain by losing your temper? Now, just settle down.
Now that everything's under control, I must be about delivery of my appointed letter.
Would you like to see me shoot one way up there? Oh, look, I got a red one that
time. Oh, did you see that, Linus? He pulled my chair out from under me.
So, Sugar Bear sat in it, so we're both out.
All right, both of you over there with the losers and watch the next story.
Greetings, children friends. Today we have story of the two particular princess. Fresh fish. Fresh fish. Fresh fish.
Suitors rejected by princess.
Small matter to me. I peddling fish, not romance. Fresh fish.
You reject every prince in realm.
Oh, Daddy, don't be dreary.
You're too particular.
Too gorgeous for anyone.
Anyone but me. Evil prince. Sorry, I late. I'm busy doing evil. Now I hear, how's for marrying me?
No, you too evil.
Evil man attractive to women.
Some evil men. Not you.
I throw with you forever. Good exit. Now I hide and maybe hear something to my advantage. Now I make decision. You marry next man who walk through door. I do hear to my advantage.
Fresh fish. Fresh fish. Here, you like nice day-old flounder?
Drop flounder and embrace bride. Unfair. I all set to cheat, but myself get cheated instead. I want princess, not flounder. However, I a good loser. So, goodbye and good luck.
He steal my bride. Also my flounder.
Only loss is flounder. Welcome to my evil castle. Here, prospective bride, have some lunch.
I here to claim my bride and flounder.
Oh, why not? It's every princess's dream to marry fish peddler.
Better honest fish peddler than evil prince.
Oh, better honest fish peddler, evil prince. Oh, you really believe it? Hey, shrimp.
quit easy.
I wish you did.
Stop kidding self, you crazy about me.
Evil prince, defend self.
Dueling. How dreary.
You wearing yourselves out for nothing. I'm not marrying either of you clowns.
My pretty boy brother.
He evil too?
No, just bored all the time.
Soulmate.
Soulmate.
I too gorgeous for anyone.
Same here. We be too gorgeous together. And to show their no hard feelings, kindly accept wedding present of too gorgeous day-old flounder.
Moral of story, honorable children friends? He who fights over girl usually loses.
Hey, I give you 2 mirror, so you have fun fighting over it.
Ready? When I stop the music, we will have a winner in today's contest of musical chairs.
Musical chairs is my game because I'm musically inclined.
We'll see, we'll see. Give up?
Tisk, tisk, tisk. I never thought I'd see you stoop to cheating.
Oh, I didn't cheat. I used magic. Nobody said I couldn't.
Well, but that was understood.
Well, I am sorry that our
anyway.
game
So
that
do
our
I.
game
You're
ended
the
on
poor
such a
Well,
sour
I
note.
didn't I?
Granny
I don't
is
see
the
you in the last chair.
Granny is the
Because I
winner,
played the game on the
but
other
next time I will be more
You really played to
explicit
win,
about the
Granny,
rules
baby.
beforehand, and magic will be forbidden. See you next
Not by
week.
me, so shut up.
Lost